This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking Essentials, updated iPhone and Mac on the same Wi-Fi and AirPlay enabled on the Mac. Once that's set, unlock your iPhone and swipe into Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring and look for your Mac's name. You should see it listed if both devices recognize the network. If the Mac asks to allow connections, accept it. You're starting the actual mirroring handshake now, so don't close apps or change networks while it connects. Once you tap your Mac from the iPhone, enter any AirPlay code shown on the Mac to confirm the link. Make sure you keep the Mac awake and adjust display scaling if the mirrored image looks cropped or fuzzy. If you need higher reliability, connect your iPhone via USB and open QuickTime on Mac. Choose New Movie Recording and select the iPhone as the camera and microphone. This gives low latency mirroring and records if needed. Make sure volume and do not to end the session, stop mirroring from the iPhone Control Center or choose Disconnect on the Mac. Recordings save in QuickTime if used. If mirroring fails, restart both devices, toggle Wi-Fi, disable any VPNs, and temporarily turn off firewall rules that block AirPlay. Those fixes resolve most connection issues. For choppy video, switch to a wired QuickTime setup, close background apps, or lower the Mac display resolution to reduce bandwidth. If problems persist, reboot and retry the AirPlay pairing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.